To not be hard on yourself. I think you have to love what you do. When I travel with the UN, I love it, and it doesn't drain me because it truly is inspiring to me and makes me feel fuller as a human being. So, and with my work, you know, you do have to figure it down to the hour and insist on time with your family, you know, and be verbal about, look, I'll be of no good to you if I don't have a solid, you know, a few breakfasts a week with my son. I'm going to be horrible coming into work. So I don't know. I just think, you know, I believe more and more in how we can all just talk to each other in this business, and this business can be a little more family-oriented than it is. I think we work crazy, you know, really stupid hours. We can work 16-hour days on a film, and that's just the act, you know, that's crew, and everybody's away from their family. So I'm actually pushing for more of us to have family time on set, or kids coming out for lunch, and so things like that.